Welcome to the abyssal frontier of the ocean, where the story of elite marine collagen begins, beneath steel cranes and rolling mist, inside our high-tech coastal processing harbor. Thousands of tons of freshly harvested wild jellyfish arrive in synchronized shipments, their translucent forms shimmering under floodlights as they enter the first chamber of our engineered extraction protocol. Study the biological lattice of these ocean drifters, a primal reservoir of structural proteins long valued for regenerative resilience and remarkable cellular elasticity. Every filament and membrane is examined beneath calibrated inspection arrays, ensuring that only pristine organic matter advances toward the refinement axis of production. Motion never ceases as the biomaterial is stabilized, preserved within strict thermal thresholds to protect fragile protein chains suspended inside native moisture. Autonomous robotic arms assume control, guided by spectral sensors that transfer the delicate mass into sealed conveyors with near-zero contamination risk. The cargo transitions from dockside staging into the industrial core, where purification and segmentation systems await within reinforced steel architecture. Behind climate-regulated vault doors, pallets are stored in precision humidity chambers, locking freshness into the collagen substrate before molecular extraction begins. The texture is dense, yet intricate, a living matrix of marine proteins soon to be isolated and transformed into a refined cosmetic concentrate. As dawn ignites the horizon, production accelerates in cadence with global demand for uncompromised natural actives within the luxury skincare sector. We depart the chilled harbor floors and cross into sterile corridors where controlled airflow systems harmonize science with marine biology. High-pressure purification commences as filtered water jets strip away salt crystals, sand fragments, and microscopic ocean residues from each fragile form. The washing cycle intensifies, establishing a biologically pure foundation essential for a mask that embodies both clarity and performance. Purity governs the facility. Each surface is saturated with sterilized streams, guaranteeing a contamination-free origin for the collagen molecules destined for revitalization. Precision blades descend with mechanical rhythm, segmenting the jellyfish into uniform structures engineered to maximize extraction efficiency. Industrial tempo builds as thousands of units move hourly through synchronized modules without compromising molecular integrity. Dimensional consistency ensures predictable results. Each measured fragment is optimized to release concentrated collagen upon reaching cryogenic processing chambers. The material advances into a flash freeze corridor where liquid nitrogen creates an instantaneous sub-zero envelope that locks nutrients within cellular walls. Extreme cold becomes an instrument of mechanical rupture, eliminating the need for aggressive solvents that could degrade structural proteins. Emerging from vapor clouds, the frozen segments proceed towards centrifugal extraction units designed for uncompromising efficiency. Engineers monitor digital dashboards continuously, confirming thermal compliance across every batch within premium production parameters. Deeper within the facility, solid form dissolves into essence as biological matter yields to fluid potential. Frozen segments enter hydraulic cold presses, where immense calibrated force fractures membranes and liberates intracellular reservoirs. A dense, pearlescent liquid emerges, raw marine collagen, rich in peptides and trace minerals, fundamental to dermal renewal. The liquid flows through transparent conduits towards centrifuges that will separate remaining solids with gravitational precision. Inside rotating chambers, spinning at extraordinary velocity, molecular fractions divide as heavier residues migrate outward. Clarified essence exits purified, advancing toward the standard required for elite mask formulation. Scale defines the operation. High-purity collagen is produced in consistent volumes to meet international demand without fluctuation. Every mechanical surface is fabricated for sanitation and durability, preserving the ocean's biological integrity at each interval. Organic remnants are diverted responsibly, leaving only concentrated nutrient fluid prepared for transformation. With each revolution in the centrifuge, clarity intensifies and active protein density rises measurably. The collagen rests within temperature-regulated tanks, stabilized for final refinement inside our ultra-modern laboratory complex. We enter the cleanroom nexus, a medical-grade environment where final purification unfolds under positive pressure airflow. Advanced nanofiltration membranes remove microscopic impurities, achieving exceptional molecular clarity, safe for universal skin application. Chemists supervise every calibrated milliliter, adjusting pH equilibrium and peptide concentration to mirror dermal physiology. Refinement crystallizes potential into brilliance, converting ocean extract into a transparent elixir of contemporary cosmetic engineering. Continuous agitation preserves bioavailability, ensuring collagen remains structurally active for deep epidermal absorption. Pure, concentrated, potent. Each drop embodies marine vitality, engineered for elasticity restoration and luminous tone. Quality assurance protocols are relentless. Each batch undergoes spectral analysis and potency validation before release. Observe the molecular scaffolding, fibrous networks that reinforce human skin, now stabilized and purified. Human expertise merges with robotic accuracy, safeguarding detail in the crafting of our distinguished Jellyfish Collagen mask. Terminal sterilization eradicates microbial presence, extending shelf stability without reliance on harsh preservatives. The serum stands complete. Vast reservoirs of translucent collagen await infusion into precision-engineered silk matrices. Certification confirmed. With a verified 99.9% purity index, we establish a global benchmark for marine skincare excellence. Focus shifts toward delivery architecture as premium silk and non-woven substrates are prepared. Only superior natural fibers are selected for maximal serum retention, while remaining gentle against sensitive dermis. High-speed cutters sculpt anatomical contours designed to conform seamlessly to diverse facial geometries. Dry masks advance toward infusion arrays, poised to absorb the perfected collagen concentrate. Infusion initiates. Micro-calibrated nozzles distribute exact volumes of essence across each surface. Fabric transforms as fibers saturate, absorbing multiple times their weight in revitalizing fluid. Production scale becomes hypnotic. Every mask receives identical precision and meticulous care. Transformation reaches culmination. Ocean organism becomes advanced beauty instrument. Masks glide along azure conveyors reflecting maritime origin and technological mastery. No fiber remains untouched. Saturation is uniform and cool. Essence richness is visible. Complex proteins and botanical synergists intertwine. Automated scanners inspect density, alignment, and absorption thresholds. A final vitamin complex is layered to enhance luminosity and immediate radiance. Folding occurs with surgical alignment, ensuring effortless application by the user. Mechanical engineering and cosmetic science converge at peak operational efficiency. Stacks align flawlessly, moments from encapsulation within protective barriers. Insertion proceeds smoothly into multi-layer aluminum pouches, shielding against light and oxygen. Thermal sealing forms an airtight perimeter, preserving marine potency. Exterior design reflects internal quality. Sleek, contemporary, refined. Batch codes provide complete traceability and consumer assurance. Outer cartons utilize sustainable materials, honoring environmental responsibility. Only after rigorous validation does each unit receive final authorization. Automated warehousing coordinates global logistics with precision. Now the personal ritual begins as hydration awakens upon opening. The mask rests weightlessly, adhering like a secondary epidermis. Contours embrace every facial angle for comprehensive nutrient transfer. Marine peptides act rapidly to hydrate, firm, and illuminate. From untamed ocean force to sculpted cosmetic refinement, Innovation persists within our relentless manufacturing continuum. Available worldwide through premier retailers and professional distributors, Factory Inside Out reveals where science deciphers nature.